Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm trying to change the name of the video files using Python Jupyter Notebook. So I will show you the problem. This is one folder, and in this folder I have created 162 video files, and I have also created the name of this video titles in separate Excel sheet. So my purpose is from that Excel sheet I want to change the name of each and every video file. If I do manually, it will be very time consuming and cumbersome. So I will use the automation technique using Python. So in order to do that, I will open up the Jupyter Notebook. So yeah, this is my Jupyter Notebook, and I have 162 video. So in order to change it, I will first open up import OS and pandas module. So with the help of this two module, I can make it completely automation to change the name of the file. So first of all, I will define the folder path. So this is a path where I have kept these videos. So this is a new folder. So I will give the name here for folder path. Second thing is an Excel file. So I will show you where I have kept the Excel file. This is an Excel file, motivational quote table, and I will copy this path and I will keep copy this name as well. So here this is a Excel file path. I will copy it. So yeah, it is ready. Now this folder path and Excel file path both are the same. So I will not repeat it again. And second thing is df data frame. So I have created one data frame as well. So data frame in the sense in Python you need to create the data frame. So by iterating this data frame, our video file name will be generated. All right, so next thing is this is a automation code, a simple line of blocks. What you need to do, you need to just copy paste this code. I will explain you this code, and I will also give you this sample Jupyter notebook file for your reference. Yeah, so this is I have given the name mp4 files, and I will use a list iterator. Okay, list comprehensor file for file in os.list directory. Here it is a folder path which we have already defined, and this if the file ends with mp4. So here you need to make sure that your video file contains mp4 file. Okay, in case if it is mkv or something, so you need to change it here mkv. That's the only changes. Now this is a if and else iterator condition. You just need to make sure that in this df data frame, my name of this column is quote, so I have put it here quote. So you have to be very careful that if your if your column name is something different, so you need to replace it with here. So I will tell you what you need to replace in this block of code. In this block of code you need to only replace two things. One is the name of the column in your Excel sheet, and second is the this mp4 extension. If it is a mp4 video, no need to change. If it is mkv or anything else, you need to change it here and here to mp4. So I will just give enter. So by giving the enter, it will show that each and every file name has been successfully changed. So let me check my new folder. Oh my god, see, all this name have been changed. So that is a fantastic technique, and within a fraction of second it will change the name of 162 video files. Be it 162 or 60,000, whatever numbers are there, you can do automation in your daily life. This technique can also be used in any corporate world as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Thank you very much.